Good morning, everyone. Today, our group will be presenting our strategic management assignment on GAP INC, one of the leading global fashion retail companies. In this presentation, we will discuss the company internal environment analysis, financial ratio analysis, and strategy analysis using the BCG metric. So, we will evaluate GAP INC strength and weakness, analyze its financial performance and liquidity position, and identify the strategic position of its major brands such as Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta. Through the analysis, we aim to understand the company's current business performance, competitive challenges, and future strategic recommendations for long-term and growth the sustainability.
Assalamualaikum. So now I will present about vision and mission. GAP Inc. does not have a clear mission statement, and this is a weakness because a mission statement helps guide the company goals and direction. Without it, the company may face problems in stakeholder alignment and brand identity. So from the analysis, GAP Inc. is strong in products, sustainability, and public image. However, components like technology, employee welfare, market focus, and profitability are weak or missing. So, a new mission statement is proposed. It focuses on providing affordable and stylish fashion worldwide, using technology, supporting sustainability, caring for employees, and achieving long-term growth. In conclusion, the new mission statement is more complete because it covers all 9 important components and gives clear direction for GAP Inc. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will present the internal environment analysis. We selected 2 of the bottom 5 forces, which are the risk of a new actors and the intensity of rivalry. First, the risk of a new interest is moderated to high because e-commerce makes it easier for new businesses to enter the clothing industry. However, GAP still have advantages such as strong brand loyalty and a large global store network. Second, the intensity of rivalry is very high because the GAP competes with a major brand like Zara and H&M. Competition is aggressive due to low profit margin, challenging fashion trend, and the growth of online shopping. Therefore, GAP must continue to innovate and adapt to market trend to stay competition. Next, based on the internal environment analysis, GAP has several opportunity and a threat. The main opportunity are the growth of the e-commerce, increasing demand for the eco-friendly product, and the popularity of casual wear. This trend can help GAP expand its market and strengthen its brand. However, GAP also face threats such as intensive competition, rapidly changing fashion trend, weak brand image, and high operation costs. Based on the EFE score 2.62, which show that the company has a moderate ability to respond to internet challenges.
Based on the case study, GAP Inc. has several key strengths. Firstly, the company has a strong brand portfolio, including GAP, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta, which allows it to target different customer segments and reduce business risk. Secondly, GAP benefits from a wide global distribution network, increasing its market reach and brand visibility. In addition, the company maintains control over product design and branding, ensuring consistency in quality and identity. GAP also has a strong omnichannel presence, integration online and physical stores to enhance customer convenience. Finally, its improving financial performance indicates better operational efficiency and supports future growth. However, Gap also faced several internal weaknesses. Firstly, the absence of a formal vision and mission statement may result in unclear strategic direction. Secondly, there is a decline in sales of key brands such as Gap and Banana Republic, which reduces competitiveness. The company is also highly dependent on the North American market, increasing exposure to regional risks. In addition, Gap has an inefficient organizational structure, which may slow down decision making. Lastly, the company relies heavily on external suppliers, exposing it to operational and supply chain risks. Based on the IFE metrics, Gap's total score is 2.41, which indicates a slightly below average internal position. This means that although the company has strengths such as strong branding and global presence, these strengths are not fully utilized. At the same time, weaknesses such as declining sales, lack of clear direction, and dependence on a single market still affect performance. Therefore, Gap needs to strengthen its internal capabilities and address these weaknesses to improve its overall competitiveness.
Next, I will explain the recommended strategy from the BCG metric for Gap Inc. major brand. First is Old Navy, which is classified as a cash cow. Old Navy has strong market share and generates stable profit for the company. Therefore, Gap Inc. should maintain its market leadership by continuous digital and omni-channel marketing strategies. The company should also improve inventory and supply chain efficiency. In addition, the profit earned from Old Navy can be used to support and develop other growing brands. Second is the Gap brand, which is categorized as a dog. The brand has low growth and declining market performance. To improve the situation, Gap Inc. should focus on restructuring and revitalizing the brand. The company should strengthen e-commerce and digital marketing activity, introduce more trendy and sustainable product, and close less profitable store if necessary. Third is Banana Republic, which is also classified as a dog. The brand faces strong competition and weaker consumer demand. Therefore, Gap Inc. should reposition Banana Republic as a more premium and differentiated brand. The company should focus on higher margin and exclusive product, improve operational efficiency, and target higher income consumer through more active marketing strategies. Lastly, other which include Atleta and Intermix are categorized as question mark. Although this brand currently have low market share, they show high growth potential. Gap Inc. should invest aggressively to increase their market share by expanding digital channel and international market. The company should also focus on activewear, wellness, and sustainable product while using customer data analytics to better understand consumer preference. In conclusion, each brand requires different strategy based on its position in the BCG metric to help Gap Inc. improve competitiveness and achieve long-term growth.
Based on our overall analysis, Gap Inc. still has strong global brands and good online retail capabilities. However, the company also faces several challenges such as strong competition, declining brand performance, and changing customer preference in the fashion industry. From the BCG metric analysis, Old Navy remains the strongest brand and main source of revenue, while Atleta shows good future growth potential. Therefore, Gap Inc. should continue improving its digital strategy, increase operational efficiency, and strengthen weaker brands to stay competitive in the market. Overall, although Gap Inc. faces several challenges, the company still has strong potential for future growth through effective strategic management and continuous improvement. That's all from our group. Thank you.